is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and we are early into Vlogtober. But this video is my regular work in progress video and projects that I finished. Actually, the first project that I got finished, you should have seen on my Stash Down 2023 videos. And that is these hats that I made out of Chanel yarn. Really soft. Yeah, this is just a basic hat pattern. Start out with 10 double crochets, and you increase 10 for a couple rows until you have, I gotta think about it for a minute, 50 stitch, no, it should be 60. 50 stitch, yeah, I increased to 50 stitches. And then just did even for a couple rows, and the last couple rows are front and back post double crochet. That might be a video later on to show. I mean, I think there are probably several people who've done this pattern, right? But it's a basic hat pattern. So I got that in the purple Chanel. I got one in the gray Chanel. And actually I made this for Stash Down 2023 because I realized at the end of September I didn't have that many projects using yarn that I had before the beginning of the year. I probably should mention Stash Down 2023 is hosted by Bridget at Queen's Craft by Bridget. So anyway, you might have seen these two hats already. Alright, this next project, you've probably seen on the video that it came out for you guys, it would be yesterday, but for me, I put it out today, and that is this Reversible Pumpkin. So yeah, I'll have a video tomorrow for you guys on how, actually it's not a full tutorial on this because I had started it without recording it, and then I finished it up on camera. So it'll give you, at least it'll give you a roadmap how to make the reversible pumpkin. Yeah, the only thing I don't know if I like or don't dislike it. It feels like I need to have either do single slip stitches or something to make it look more pumpkin-y, but I gotta make sure I can still actually reverse it and turn around. So yeah, and it's made in like a tube. And with the top on it. Yeah, I like that. That is cute. Okay, so that is all I got finished. The projects I'm working on, and this project I need to get finished this week, and pretty much all my other projects are going to be stopped, maybe, except for the temperature scarf, which I want to keep that one up to date. And I was trying to keep in this one up to date. This one, I mean the popcorn blanket. This is part of a Granny Square make-along that's running from August to December, and that is hosted by Connie at Just Another Stitch. She has a make-along every month, and I think she decided to make the one for August run through December. And the idea was to make a square every day, and then make enough for a blanket. I was actually on track, and then I didn't do it for yesterday. In that case, it would be for Monday. I'll try to keep track how much fall I'm behind on this one, so I can keep on track for that one. Because the project I want to get done as soon as possible, because it's for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. for this. Actually, now was for September. This is September's Mystery Yarn Challenge, and just so you know, the Mystery Yarn Challenge is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. So I hope you get a chance to go and check out her channel and check out this Mystery Yarn project that she has, Mystery Yarn Challenge, excuse me, that she has every month. And it's too late now for October, but if you check out her channel and check out, she has playlists of every month for the Mystery Yarn Challenge for everybody that has a channel and stuff. So, okay. I need to go back at some point and check out her September playlist, which is not complete because I'm not done yet. So, show you what I got done on the Mystery Yarn Challenge. So, I'm making, this either cardigan or a pullover sweater. I haven't decided what it's going to be yet, but all right, I got this one inside out because I got to work on taking the ends off, but I got to make this in 2 halves. So I got one half done. I don't know if you can see that. I got the one half done. Where are you so I don't lose you? And this is I'm on the second half. So I don't know if I can get this to see. Okay. This is the second half, which is getting there. All I gotta do, I'm on a white row, so all I gotta do is finish up. I gotta do 2 rows of white, and then 3 rows of this. So I don't know if I got all this green, the green cotton yarn. So I gotta do 3 more rows of that, and that pretty much will finish up the second half. And then I gotta put the 2 together, and then I gotta figure out if I need to add on toward, I don't know, it's harder to explain out when you may need to add. So this is one place, and if this is the back, I might need to add like a couple rows for the very back part. Probably means I had to add a couple. I need to maybe add a few rows this way without actually adding on to. And then I might need to add some sleeve length. And I might need to add some length to the cardigan itself, but so anyway, it's pretty much all the other projects. I may have mentioned this, I'm sorry if I mentioned this already, but all the other projects I'm about to show you is pretty much going to be halted until I get this one done. With the exception of this project. Because it doesn't take that much, it's just one simple row of the linen stitch or the moss stitch, the stitch that has the single crochet and chain 1, that stitch. This one I'll keep up to date, and this is the temperature scarf. So that one's up to date. I'm pretty sure, I know I showed you the blanket already. I have this project going on. I may have done 1 row, but it's a Fairyland hat. This one I might get a push to get this done in November or December, but because it's got the Christmas color yarns. So this Fairyland hat, it looks like, it looks like it's gonna look like this hat. It's like the long stocking hat. It's gonna get colder pretty soon. I can almost start wearing this hat. I love this hat. Anyway, that will be this hat. Actually, I probably do want to get it done. Maybe I'll try to get it done before Thanksgiving. Because it seems like once Thanksgiving hits, then Christmas, it's on. It's time to that's when we decorate the house for Christmas and stuff like that. And that may not be that, we're pushing up, that's not that far away. I wouldn't be surprised if you can find Christmas stuff in the store already. Alright, Halloween's not over yet, but I'll bet you once Halloween is over, even before it's over, you'll probably find Christmas stuff in the store. But anyway, I digress. Still showing projects. Okay. Oh, you're here. I got too many projects going on. Okay. Yeah. This is the scarf I got going on. Man, I need to get this one done. This could potentially be a Christmas gift for somebody. I like this. Or I'll keep it because it's colorful. I like it. Anyway, this is making the Hobby Lobby Urban Chic yarn. I got like 3 different balls in here. That's in here. This at one point, once I get this could be the project that I could easily take if I need to go, like my waiting project. As you know, eventually I got, if I'm going in oil change, doctor's appointments, or when my kids are in Sunday school on Sunday, I can bring this project with. Oh, that's that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, put that away. And of course I got the t-shirt I started in May as part of a Tanks and Tees challenge that I ended up doing a whole nother project. And I hope they get this done. This yarn I use in it would be eligible for the Stash Down 2023 project, so I definitely want to get this one done before the end of the year. So yeah, kind of like to get back in this one too, because I think once I get this one done, I like how this feels. It's cottony and it's not acrylic, and I sometimes have to, it itches a little bit for me to wear acrylic products, stuffed in acrylic yarn, which is probably why I don't make too many wearables. I personally don't like how it feels, but this is made of cotton, so I might like this one. So yeah, like no progress on this one. I'm still starting on the other half. The point where, hey, I put a stitch marker to hold it in place. There we are. That's that one, and I think that covers all projects except for the last project, which is, I don't think I've ever been this far behind, but it's the knitted temperature blanket. But I'm Curtis, it's now, by the time you see it, it'll be October 4th. I have to start September 21st, so. But, yeah. But yeah. Let's see, ain't too bad. I usually, when I start getting really far behind, and if I have multiple days in a row that are the same temperature, this might be the case too when I get back into this, is have several days on a row to help catch up. But I also want to make sure that this is going to be long enough, because now how the overall big blanket's coming together is that I got like January, February, March together, and then I got April, May, and June, and now this ends up July, August, and September. So I'll have to look at my other blankets and make sure it's gonna be long enough, hopefully, to match the whole blanket in whole. But I was expecting this to be a little wonky to begin with. So far it's worked up that January, February, March, and April, May, and June, they have actually lined up and pretty close. So I got lucky on that. So that might be that will be, I need to do a catch-up video strictly for my knitted temperature blanket. Because we're doing Blogtober, trying to do a video every day of the month. And I think I felt like I haven't done much video or And I was going to blog about it too, because I have a blog. I feel like I haven't done much on the temperature blanket, so I'd like to give an update on how this blanket is coming together. So that is all I have. Look for this video coming out tomorrow. And then Friday's video is going to be my, hopefully a Friday video that shows I have a finished Mystery Yarn Challenge project done by Friday. Okay, that is all I have. If you did like this video, please give it a like. See more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.